good morning and welcome back to Eclectic Home Designs. I'm really excited about today's video. I'm gonna show you 10 of my favorite thrift store finds that I got this year. And I think they are so beautiful and so worth it. And you would think I spent a lot of money on each of these items, or at least some of them. You would think I spent a lot of money on them, but I didn't. I'll try to remember the price points. I know some of them, but I don't remember all of them. But anyways, I don't want to talk too much. I want to get on with the video. So let's start the video right this second. All right. Alright, Saints. So the first item that I got at the thrift store that I'm in love with. I mean, 90% of my house from the thrift store, but there are some pieces that I love dearly. And this happens to be one of them. I have another one in the hallway. You probably saw it on the house tour, but this beautiful antique picture I love very much. So that's number one on my list, I would say. Number two on my list is this beauty right here. I love this little cat, mama cat and baby cat. It reminds me of my children, especially my little Mia. But yeah, I love this, the mama and the baby cat. I love it so much. I think number three is this beauty here. Oh, I love this bust. It is so pretty. I paid $25 for it at the thrift store. I thought that might have been a little pricey, but it's worth every penny. It's probably retails like $200 or $300, but it's beautiful. So this is, ooh. And number four is this beautiful vase. I believe I paid like $10, maybe $7 for this vase at the thrift store, and I have some faux olive branches in it, and it holds so nicely. I love this vase. It is so, look at the details. It's so pretty. So pretty. And these little ballerina slippers. This is so cute. It was already ready to be hanged. So I hung it up. I just hung it right here in this little corner. Number six is these chairs that I got at the thrift store. I love these chairs. They were only $5. I needed some chairs for my office for visitors. And I was going to purchase, I thought I was going to purchase another set of chairs, but they didn't go down in price, and they were sold pretty quickly. But then these ones were $20, and then I went back the next day, and they were marked down for $5 a piece. I was going to paint them, and Connor said leave them the way they are. But this is number six, my office chairs. Number seven is this vase, or a vase, that's in my kitchen. I love this vase. I purchased this vase so that way I can paint it with baking soda and paint to give it that ceramic feel. But then I just fell in love with just the way this vase is, and I was like, I have to keep this vase for myself, and I have to put it somewhere that I'm really gonna appreciate it. And the kitchen I just love it here. So this is number seven. Number eight is my dining room chairs. I have just two of these chairs. They're meant to be used outdoors, so I like bringing in the outdoor in. I love to do that a lot, and these chairs are definitely for like a covered balcony or a covered porch or something. Just someplace outside that's gonna work really nicely. So yeah, so I have another one over there. There's a couple of bags of groceries on the table. So but anyway, so yeah, so I love these chairs. Number nine is this coffee table. This coffee table was $60 for the longest at the thrift store, and then it went down to $30, and I was like, I have to have you. And it's massive. I brought it home with me. It's extremely heavy, It's a Burrell, and it's extremely heavy. But I love this coffee table. I just love this coffee table. It's an antique. It's original wood. It's amazing. The only thing is, I'm thinking about painting it. Connor and my cousin Allie was like, no, leave it the way it is. But there's not so much that I can do to style it to make it complement the room. I've tried. It's a table that just doesn't need anything on it, as is. Just leave it bare and just decorate around. But I love a stylish coffee table. So I'm thinking about painting the top a black matte with wax on top of it, and then leaving the rest of it the way it is. Just this part here, the matte black. But let me know what you guys think in the comment. But this one is number 9 for me. Finally, number 10 is this cute little table here. This cute little table here in the living room. It's a Bombay piece, and I got it at the thrift store. It was 50 bucks for a while, and then it went down to $15, 1.5. And this little cute little table usually retails for over $100. So you really can find a lot of wonderful things at the thrift store that are well made and quality. So yeah, so I love this little table here. So this is number 10. And so that concludes the video. 10 things, my 10 favorite things that I got from the thrift store. And I got all those pieces I showed you at the same thrift store. I go to this thrift store that's not far from my house all the time, so it's my store. But anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me what other things you'd like to see on this channel. Definitely about furniture and stuff like that. And you'll see with the pieces that I showed you, some of them could be modern piece, some of them could be a contemporary piece. It doesn't matter. It's just being able to mix and match those pieces together to form an eclectic style home. And so that's what we're all about. That's what I'm all about. Just eclectic. So anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.